what I get in a week of PR. Let's get into it. Starting off with the small packages first. Bare Minerals. 3 shades of lipstick. Let's open them up. Here's the 3 lip shades. Next up is Beauty Bay. Ignore the wear and tear, I just ripped off my dress. Got some liquid blush. Here are the liquid blush shades. Next we got this cute little box from L'Oreal. Okay, it's their new telescopic lift mascara. Okay, what we got is Skin Proud. We got some skincare. Recharge Overnight Retinol Serum and Wonder Clay Clarifying Pink Clay to Cream Cleanser. Hope I didn't break anything. We've got some Wonder Skin skincare. I don't know why I'm whispering. Ooh. 6 long wear eyeliners, a lip stain and a top gloss. We got some fancy. We got some fancy. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. We got some little pins. Hopefully you guys can see that. Peel and stick eye stickers. I've never heard of eye stickers. This thing, I have no idea what it is. I think it might be like a cup holder or a phone holder. Let me know in the comments if you know what this is for. Got the makeup sponge in the shape of a American football. There's how it looks. SPF 30. I have some of this already. I literally use it every day. Some of the Pro Filter foundation. A matchstick highlighter in the shade Ice Cream. Pretty nice. Trophy Wife highlighter. Oh my gosh, I remember when everyone was going crazy for this highlighter. Look at that. Soft Matte Powder Foundation, which I haven't tried yet. There's a second bit. It's got a little sponge in there. Okay, last thing in here is a gloss bomb called Riri. I think I'm in love. Oh, it smells so good. This is definitely going to be my new favorite. Got a bit of like a glitter shift to it as well. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. I think I know what this is. Ooh. I knew it, I knew it. BPERFECT. Oh, look at that packaging. I feel like I'm in Men in Black and I need some of those black shades. Okay, you ready? Oh, it's their new Chroma Cover foundation. They brought out a luminous version. Oh, this one's kind of heavy. Oh, got some Benefit. Oh, there's a bunch of skincare. Oh wow, okay, hang on. Much better. We got a pore mask, a foaming cleanser, a clay mask, a moisturizer, a toning foam, and a cleansing oil. If you made it this far into the video, drop the cool sunglasses emoji so I can show some love back to you in the comments. Do me a big favor and hit the like button. Last box. We got some R.E.M Beauty. Oh, we've got quite a few bits. We got a cooling under eye balm, midnight snack eyeshadow palette, essential drip lip oil. That applicator looks so cool. Do you guys see that? Cheek and lipstick, interstellar highlighter topper, and a matte lipstick. That's everything, guys. Thanks for watching, and big thank you to all the brands that send me PR. I really appreciate it.